Image formation in spherical mirrors. We are already familiar with the various terminologies involved in spherical mirrors. Before starting, we should know the meaning of principal axis, center of curvature, the focus, and the pole. Let us first see what are the various positions of object for which we have to study the image formation. The first position is when the object is kept at infinity. The second position is when the object is kept beyond center of curvature. The third position is when the object is kept at the center of curvature. The fourth position is when the object is kept between the center of curvature and the focus. The fifth position is when the object is kept at focus. The sixth and the last position is when the object is kept between the focus and the pole of the mirror. In all these six positions, the image formed in the first five positions is real and inverted. But for the sixth position, the image formed is virtual and upright. This is in case of concave mirror. In a convex mirror, the image formed is always virtual and upright. Initially, we'll be studying about the position of object when the image formed is real and inverted. Let us keep the object at the first position, that is at infinity. We observe that the image is formed at focus. The image is extremely small or point-sized. We shall now move the object to the adjacent position on the right. We will observe that the image shifts to the adjacent position on the left. Also, the size of image increases. So when the object is shifted from infinity to beyond C, the image shifted from focus to between C and F. Its size also increased, but it is still smaller than the size of object. We shall now shift the object one position to the right. We shall observe that the image shifts one position towards left. Its size also increases. Now this is the position where the object position and image position is same, the object size and image size is same. Let us now shift the object to the adjacent position on the right. We observe that the image has shifted to the adjacent position on the left, and now its size has become larger than the size of the object. Let us now shift the object to the adjacent position on the right. So now the object would be at F. We see that the image also has shifted to the adjacent position on the left. That is, it is now formed at infinity. Its size is extremely large. So we have seen for these 5 positions that as the object shifts closer to the mirror, the image shifts further away from the mirror. Its size also goes on increasing. Center of curvature is the only position where the size of object and size of image is same. Now let us shift the object one position towards right. We see that now the image formed is virtual and upright. It is formed not in front of the mirror but behind the mirror. In case of convex mirror, whatever the position of object, the image formed is always virtual and upright. The virtual image in case of concave mirror is always larger than the object, whereas the virtual image in case of convex mirror is smaller than the object. So there are certain interesting patterns that we have observed in the image formations. When the object is kept at infinity, its image is formed at focus. And when the object is kept at focus, its image is formed at infinity. When the object is kept at beyond C level's position, its image is formed between C and F. And when the object is kept between C and F, its image is formed beyond C. When the object is kept at center of curvature, its image is formed at center of curvature. Now let us remember certain important things. We look for image formation for 6 different positions of object. You should remember these 6 different positions. The nature of image formation has a pattern. When we talk about nature, we talk about whether it's real or virtual. For the first 5 positions of object in concave mirror, image is real and inverted. For 6th position only, the image is virtual and upright. But in convex mirror, always forms virtual and upright image. The position of image formation also has a pattern for the first 5 positions in concave mirror. As the object shifts closer to the mirror, its image shifts further from the mirror. As the object shifts to its adjacent position on the right, the image shifts to its adjacent position on the left. The size of image formation has a pattern for the first 5 positions in concave mirror. When object is at infinity, image is point sized. As object moves closer, image size increases. At C, image size becomes same as object size. When object is at focus, the image size becomes infinite. Virtual image of concave mirror is always larger than the object, while virtual image of convex mirror is always smaller than the object. Thank you.